When installing your high output XDP or aftermarket alternator, it's important to get the juice flowing. With the XDP HD high output alternator cable, you could do just that. The XDP HD high output alternator cable is a direct fit replacement for the 2003 to 2007 Ford 6-liter Powerstroke. This cable will help prevent electrical issues that can be commonly found when using older, worn-out cables. Designed to last, the high-output cable has crimped and shrink-wrapped ends to help avoid fraying and damage. The 2-gauge cable ensures that you'll maintain proper function in your charging system with a high-output alternator. To find out more about the XDP HD high-output alternator cable, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.